Hello friends, welcome to my horribly green bathroom. Today I'm dyeing my hair. The reason that I'm filming this video is because I'm using a new hair dye that I've never used before, and I'm actually really excited to try it out and show you guys the results. As you can see, my hair is actually still purple. So I went into Sally's because I just wanted to have a look at what they had. I don't know, I haven't shopped for new hair dye in a while. I had been using a different brand. I don't remember what brand it is, but I will leave the information about it in the description box. Unfortunately, I had to buy it at Cosmoprof, and I don't have a license. You have to have a license to buy any of the cosmetics at Cosmoprof, and I bought it with my friend who has a license. So I don't have access to that hair dye, and I was using the Arctic Fox Purple Rain. That's what I dyed my hair with last time, and I don't dislike it. Mind you, I do think it's a very pretty color, but it fades to this very like pinky, it's like a very pinky purple. It's much more red based than it is blue based, and I prefer like a deeper violet blue based purple. That's just my preference. I like more of a cool toned purple than a warm toned purple, and so I was looking for something different. I ended up buying this brand. I don't know how to pronounce this because I honestly can't read it. I don't know. Actually just Googled this while I was in Sally's, and it had really good reviews. So I looked at some pictures and this looks really good. I got the color 20 in purple. We're gonna try it, and then I will wash my hair and I will show you the results as you do. Okay, the dye is applied and I'm really excited about it. I have to say a couple things. It smells really nice. It smells like grapes a little bit. It does look very dark, which is good. I'm excited about that. I hope that my natural hair takes to it. I did use both of the packets that I bought. I believe that each of them were about $10, so it's not super expensive. I have a lot of hair. My hair is very thick, so 2 is a lot probably for most people because my hair is long and thick. So if you have thinner hair, you probably only need 1, maybe 1.5 if you have long hair. It says 30 minutes or more on the packaging, but I'm gonna leave it in for probably like an hour, and then I'm gonna shower and I'll show you guys the results tomorrow. Welcome to the next day. This is how my hair turned out. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. This color is perfect. Color is everything I wanted. I would say this is almost identical to the color that I got at Cosmoprof that I can't get because I don't have a license. This is like the perfect dupe for the color that I was using before. Well, at least color wise. I don't know how it's gonna fade. I don't know how long it's gonna last. I don't know the rest of those details, but for now the color is like chef's kiss, perfect. It's so good. The only thing that I would say is that it is probably blue in some light. Honestly, in some lightings, like if you're under like a cool fluorescent light, it probably would look blue because it is that indigo. Violet, indigo, it's close. It's really close, like in between those two colors. A couple things to say. It did smell really nice. I like a hair dye that smells nice. When a hair dye smells like chemicals, that's just like not my vibe. I like when it smells good. The other thing is that it was only $10 per container, and I think that's pretty affordable, especially compared to a lot of other temporary dyes that are out there right now. I also think that this color, if you are looking for like a lavender color, this color diluted, I think personally would make a perfect lavender color. Like I wish that I could have lavender or pastel pink hair again, but I don't think that that time will ever come in my life again, so we will stick with the darker colors. The other thing is that it definitely did stain my bathtub. It stained my nail polish, which is fine because it's just nail polish, but a little bleach goes a long way. If you have any issues with using this color, just make sure that you have a little bit of bleach on hand because it might stain your bathtub a little bit, or like your sink or anything that you get it on. Obviously wear protective gloves, wear protective clothing whenever you're applying it to your head. that way you won't stain your clothes. It did definitely go over the color that was already on there very well. It had very good coverage, and my natural hair, as you can see, almost turned like black. The purple, and it almost tinted it to like a dark brown, purpley, which I really like because I think that it kind of blends together a little bit nicer instead of going from like a light brown into like this deep dark purple color. If you have any questions about the hair color or the process or anything along those lines, feel free to ask. I will answer to the best of my abilities, of course. I think that's all that I really have to say about the product. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it could help you out a little bit. If you did, don't forget to give me a good old thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I super appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.